POV video in the S15. All right, so it's a really nice night in Sydney. Finally lockdown's over, and I thought it's a good opportunity to take the S15 out for a drive. It's on stock at the moment, but I'm going to explain that in another video. And yeah, there's heaps and heaps of cool plans for the S15 coming up. We've got it idling at the moment. The last POV video we did in the S15 was really popular, and a lot of people have been messaging me to do another one. We were just in lockdown recently, so it was really hard to film another POV driving cruising video. But now that lockdown's over, we're going to take the S15 for another drive, and we're going to go around the really popular, you know, cruise locations in Sydney. Like, we're going to go through Brighton, the airport, stuff like that, and other little places that me and ThatCarLife support. the area. But we're also going to go to some places that me and ThatCarLife support like to drive to and stuff, and show you guys some places maybe you don't know. So so yeah, we're gonna put the GoPro head strap on, do a POV, and yeah, we're gonna get some good driving footage. We're gonna get some good sound clips, some dose, and it's gonna be a hectic video. So we'll hop in the S15 and we'll get going. Alright guys, so we ended up, like, right after we pulled out of the servo, the GoPro had like a major error, SD card error, like full shut itself. So I had to restart it, go and like fix it all up, and yeah, we're back a bit later on in the night, but there's no dramas. Yeah, we're gonna get cruising. So the first cruise destination tonight, guys, is going to be Brighton. So we're going to cruise down there and show you guys what it's like to take an S15 to Brighton at night. It's a tunnel. What the hell?
Oh my god. What?
No.
What?
You gotta be joking me. Where did this?
It was just clear.
Where did this rain come from? Are you recording this?
Yeah, I am.
What the hell, guys?
Let me check the weather. What are we, Melbourne?
So as soon as we get, Brighton's right up here, and as soon as we get to Brighton, I got window visors at least. Hang on.
Oh my god.
What the hell, guys? We're actually, as soon as we get to Brighton, it starts raining. I can't believe this. Oh man, this is not ideal. Brighton's a cop right there. It's full pouring raining.
Okay.
And there's cops right there. Alright guys, so as you just saw, as we hit Bay Street in Brighton, it just started pouring rain. And yeah, we thought we were just gonna like reschedule another night, but yeah, it looks like the rain's actually stopped as we're about to turn around and head home. So we'll head down through Brighton the other way, coming back towards it. But yeah, that was really weird. Such a good dose. guys, it was probably a good thing it started raining, because I probably would have been giving it a little bit of a dose on Bay Street. But turns out exactly where I would have been dosing, there was actually a cop coming on the other side. So it's probably a blessing in disguise that it started raining at that point. Yeah, we just got chopped by an Audi. Yeah, the roads are a bit wet, guys, so it's not ideal, but I guess this is what it's like to drive an S15 through Brighton on a rainy night, I guess. So not many people know, after you leave that like main cruise spot through Brighton, you can actually turn down here and you can drive right next to the airport. So this is like a part of the airport where a lot of car people come. This is a weeknight, so there might not be that many good cars here. Well, there's a BRZ. But yeah, there's like a KFC and a Macca's and Krispy Kremes, and yeah, it's normally a common like car meet spot and stuff like that where people cruise to. But yeah, there might be a few good cars here, but who knows? I think there's a few cars. Yeah. Here we are in KK's. Oh, that's a Sierra. That's sick. That was a Toyota Sierra. That's the same one that was on Mighty Car Mods. That's sick. That's a clean WRX. Holy shit. Yeah, there's some nice cars here, guys. Yeah, it's a GoPro. Hey, that's it. He goes, drop us at ThatCarLife. There's actually a bunch of cars here too. I don't know what's there. A bunch of Holdens, Lexuses. Oops. I'm going to show you guys my S15's like pop and crackle tune without a tune. pop and crackle tune, guys. Just straight pop your S15, rev it out in first and just let off. Who needs to pay for a pop and crackle tune? Alright guys, so this spot here, it's also next to the airport, and it's actually another really cool place you can cruise to because you can actually park up right next to the runway and you can actually see planes land and take off right in front of you, which is awesome. So here's a plane taking off. There's a rally up. That's on the 85. Oh, A85 smells so good. So we just got the Sylvia home. It's pretty late, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that video, like the POV driving around like the streets of Sydney. So it was just the worst luck that as soon as we hit Bay Street in Brighton, it just started like pouring rain out of nowhere. But it also kind of wasn't, because there was a cop there, so I probably would have been dosing if it wasn't raining. So yeah, it was actually kind of a blessing that happened. But yeah, it just sucks we didn't get that like clear or that good of a footage through Bay Street, but it's all right. We still got some good footage through Brighton and through the airport too, and we got some really good dose and, you know, SR20 sounds too. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give us a like, comment and a subscribe, and let us know down below if you want to see more POV videos and driving around and stuff like that, and any locations you want us to drive to and do a POV in the Sylvia too. Yeah, it would be awesome to hear your ideas. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got some fire regular uploads coming for a whole bunch of different cars, some cracker content, so make sure you like, comment and subscribe, all of that for more, and we'll see you next time on That Car Life.